Carnival in New Orleans is really centered on Mardi Gras Day, but our bean parade is making Lundi Gras like Mardi Gras. After experiencing my first carnival here, I just decided I would make a parade where we would make suits out of beans and we would parade on Monday, the day before Mardi Gras Day, which here is called Lundi Gras. And I created it 14 years ago, and it's just become like a magical little family-friendly space of carnival where people get to experience that practice of making their own suit and wearing it out. Hundreds of people show up to our parade dressed in bean suits that they've made at home, and it's open. They can parade with us. You're there, you're in the parade, you get to experience it just the same way that we do. You know, the kidney bean is something that really crosses all societal bounds. Rich, poor, black, white, like everybody eats red beans. So it has this like unifying power. The bean as a symbol of our city. It's really part of our identity.
Smells good in here! There must be Camellia